Ever wondered why sourcing and managing suppliers can feel like navigating a labyrinth of complexity? Well, you're not alone. Today, we will simplify this process, breaking it down into digestible steps. Let's embark on this journey together, turning the daunting into the doable. The first step is identifying your needs. Knowing what you want from your suppliers is vital. Do you need a constant supply of goods, or are you looking for a one-time purchase? Understanding your business's specific needs will guide you to the right suppliers. Next, it's time to start researching potential suppliers. This is where the internet becomes your best friend. Look for suppliers who specialize in the goods you need. Check out their reviews, their delivery times, and their customer service. Remember, a supplier is more than just a source of goods. They're a partner in your business. Once you've found potential suppliers, it's time to make contact. Reach out to them, ask for quotes, and discuss your needs. Communication is key in any relationship, and it's no different with suppliers. Be clear about your expectations and ensure they understand your business's needs. After you've established contact, it's time to negotiate. This is where your business acumen really comes into play. Don't be afraid to haggle over prices, delivery times, and terms of service. Remember, you're entering into a business relationship. It should be beneficial to both parties. Once you've agreed on terms, it's time to place an order. This is the moment of truth. How well does the supplier deliver on their promises? Monitor this closely, as it will inform your ongoing relationship with the supplier. Now that you have your supplier and your goods, the work isn't over. Managing your supplier is an ongoing process. Regularly review your relationship, ensuring it still meets your needs. If it doesn't, don't be afraid to go back to the negotiation table, or even look for a new supplier if necessary. In closing, sourcing and managing suppliers doesn't have to be a Herculean task. It's all about knowing your needs, doing your research, establishing clear communication, negotiating terms, monitoring performance, and reviewing the relationship regularly. So remember, the key steps are identifying your needs, researching potential suppliers, making contact, negotiating, placing an order, and managing the relationship. Keep these steps in mind, and you'll find sourcing and managing suppliers not just manageable, but masterable. That's it for today's adventure into the world of sourcing and managing suppliers. You're now equipped with the knowledge to conquer this challenge. So go forth, apply these steps, and watch your business thrive. And don't forget, come back for more financial insights and tips like subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.